If you're a small business owner and want to create a separate email address like info at, support at, or admin at, but you're still a solopreneur and need to be able to check that account yourself, you might want to set that email address up as an alias instead. Hi, I'm Marta and welcome to the Studio Movellan channel. Here you'll find helpful digital marketing and social media tips and how-tos to grow your small business. First, go to admin.google.com and log in. On the left-hand menu, go to Directory and then select Users. Select your primary email address and click Add Alternate Emails. Scroll down to Alternate Email Addresses, Email Alias, and enter the alternate email you wish to have connected to your account. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe below and sign up for our newsletter.